So basically, our philosophy at NDLA is we believe in the power of collaboration, disruption, and innovation. By combining our Japanese DNA and other elements, we have the ability to transform and evolve design to the next level. For me, what is important is the ideas. If you can do it with paper and pencil and the ideas are fantastic and it's just black and white, that's great. If you can do it with Gravity Sketch, that's even better. What's very important, I think, for young designers now is to have that 3D modeling experience. A few months ago, Gravity Sketch had reached out to us to try out the software. I was blown away and my team was blown away because it's very intuitive. The software allows you to simulate that intrinsic connection you have while working in the studio. Use Gravity Sketch to do our designs and do evaluation in real time and making the modification in real time, really assimilating the real world situation working in the studio. This is another thing I think about Gravity Sketch is how fast you can create your ideas and how fast you can make variations. This is a game changer, I feel, in the industry of design. And having the ability to be mobile, we're there working together, we're talking. In other platforms, you don't walk around the model. Maybe you show an animation, maybe you show some sketches, but it doesn't have that perception that you're in the same room. So that's one of the benefits of Gravity Sketch. The speed of which you can develop many proposals is a game changer. And also the tool being very seamless. You can use other softwares with the tool and just taking the model that you just developed in Gravity Sketch. Don't need to do conversions or any modification to enhance the design, for example. With Gravity Sketch, there was none of that. Gravity Sketch is that tool which having a secure place for us to work that only we can access the data. It's going to allow us to really use it in our everyday projects that we do here in South America.